kani kedai Redaction Meghalaya ban ipriang sobhai pi baro syakani ketup khobor menta kejan mit syabain paish khobor ke benya tingin pet syai kimat bakongsan Lejmo Menteri Rangba Kajela ukandrat ke sangma ya kesnong tangmang pen bena ba onbo ya ka handicraft training center ha kesnong Kintu MP Ketura u Saleng Sangma ban Pinklan ya ke jing pahara khaput kintu ya ke sorkar ban Pinklan ya ke BSF bat pendep ya ke jingker Sainarsha Pinpau Menteri Ketanat PHE u Marcus N Marak ya ke jingjob jong ke single village water supply scheme Bat pinkut nok ko umpawin SC ya ka lumpung ya lekai football beningkong ha ka ba ka renja SC kala long ka lado dak ba pinram ya ka umpawin da ar la shikol Ki khobor ki babnya Menteri Rangba Kajela Meghalaya u Konrad ke sangma ulalit shnong Tangmang village ha East KHASI Hills kabalong kasin ke beningkong bakino kino ki Menteri Rangba Kajela kinlet yu kejat ha kani shnong ke jupau bha kum ke shnong ke baitnat bha kamaryang saudong saukun ke bapau hakikam tanjing tan deki siet bat ban tanjan Usangma ula betha ya kibriu sorkar ban thiet shibon ya kitiar kitar bashna degi siet bat kitiar shnakti na kanishnong ban ais ngobha shikiriu pau khmat on sabo ikijaka ai jing hikai ya ki kamshna jingshna dakakti ne ka handicraft training center hakani gashnong hakaba on donru kitiar kitar ka jukmenta bat ban ai jing hikai Ula pentikna ba on sa ai ya ka ying school bathmai na kabenta ka Tangmang Secondary School ya ka ba on mang tingka hapo jong ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund MP Natura Saleng Sangmau la penpau ka jing sngokya shapang ka jing shong siir ha ka long kaman ha ki jaka ki than khapot jong ka than khamtam ha shilenter ki khapot ka Meghalaya bat Bangladesh Ula kentu ya ke sorkar baka sorkar kan Pinklan ya ke Border Security Force bat pendep no ya ke jingker Sainarsha Usangma ula banjur badai banbo hakmat ya ke kam ban Pinklan ya ke jing pahara ya ke khaput namar baka jilla ke don ya ke khaput ke bajrong bha bat ke Bangladesh Lathumu banbo sa artli ki ktem jong ki shipai BSF Hajantia Hills bat Garo Hills hakabaladep ban jetru ya ki jaka na ke benta ki te ki ktem
The strengthening of, strengthening of not only the border fencing also, but to strengthen the strength of BSF and all the other security forces who is mending the border area. Now, as I've told you, to strengthen the border area, they have already sanctioned 2 camps in our state already. Okay. So I think the strength is, we are getting the strength from the central government. Central government is definitely helping to strengthen the border areas. And then moreover the BSF and all, they are working really tirelessly.
Menteri Ketanat ki kam Public Health Engineering ke Meghalaya Marcus N Marak ulapin pau ya ke jingbyang hakarukom terekam jong ka single village water supply schemes ban pinpoy umdi shakiyeng kisam ke than nongkendong hapo jong ka jal jivan mission ka SVWSS ka donya ka jingkular ka bakrau ban ay ka umbam umdi ka babyang shakithan nongkendong bat weng ya ka jing ka bakilamat hakabayade bat ka multi village scheme Menteri ulalet jingo ya ka karongre water supply scheme ka bathmu bansam umbam umdi sha ka barenga para bat ki benta jong ka dalu
Single village water supply scheme. There are lots, many single, I don't remember the exact numbers, so there are many single village water supply schemes also. In the Karongri, I will tell you one story. It took so long because there was a flood last year, you remember. Because of that flood, so many pipelines which were already laid was washed away, and then some of the pumping stations which has already constructed was filled with muds and all. So that needs to be cleared, and all the pumpings were damaged, and it has to be replaced. So it is replaced now, so it's going to be operational very soon.
Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalalong kapapin kre banang kam kentiu shusho yaki kam jengok kai da kapapin he yakakat lingsun ha umroy. Ha kabaki lingsun ki behe ki la ban hiar hakani kakat lingsun nado lashim snem. Kat kum u commissioner bat secretary katna tourism u ba CVD dingdo ulakpi lenti ba ka jingwan jong ki lingsun ki behe ki ban her bet nationalong kan khring yaki jingwan ki yaka jingwan jongok kai jong ki brio. Ka jingpin he yaki jaka her lingsun kan pinla wat iki lingsun ki bahe kum ka Airbus A320 banhiar hashilong na buntli ki nongba ka India.
The government has taken many initiatives recently to expand the runway of the Shillong airport. In fact, the tender by Airport Authority of India is already out. This will be a great boost and major boost to tourism, because we know that with direct flight connectivity, the number of tourists will definitely increase. Shillong is a very popular destination. Many people who land at Guwahati airport are Shillong bound or Meghalaya bound. So this will definitely increase the number of flights with the expanded runway. The A320s will be able to land. And with this, there will be a great boost in tourism.
Ka jingshna biang ya ka Yong Musyang Market Complex hajuai kalayat shat-shat. Hakaba arhosan nakashispa jong kapisa balamang kabalong arhosan pon hinriu folklore tingka kalaban pinlut tang hapo saw benai. UMLA ka juai uba wailat mikishla ulalit jingo ya kate ka jingshna bat ulapin pau ya ka jing skos kem ba onla ban pindap ya ka kam kat kum kapor balabo kata hapo arsnem. Kajantia Hills Autonomous District Council kan penyat bat pet yaki kam ki bayadai bat kayo hadin baladap shnayaka.
Niliang yung nga wanan ni quite small diki ingkre yus nakaliang yung nasa komen yu wa kam man go da pet khamat man malarang su banai dan hi da pa yi ka kam go da lai da almost 100% naka mon structural work yu da lai khamat dasnya komen go to yu wat ka kam le một man go systematic ba de yu pi kam pa boy ye de yes khilang i pi ba ka kam keleng ke deng to kat du chi thau agawan adu i ka block de yu keleng la pa jikat so em ki thau de em be ki yu kre nga dap rum sin usnya komen ne ba de yu kam de tip lang hi ro ni to jing thrang jong jing ang nut to pa yang nong chnong yong ka chnong juai hen re yang lum jan ti ai ro wi
Kahanyotrap Meghalaya Egg Services leak kalapinlong ya kajingalang banthong biang ikinong kitkam bathamay jong Karibhoy District Unit nakabenta ka samoy trekam arajar arhosan hado arajar arhopra. Lathong ya uba S thank you kum u President bad u Niren Pamba kum u General Secretary. Lathong ya kitay kinong kitkam bathamay hakaba ka Central Body kala banjur ya kajing dankam jongki District Unit. Kajing tumu jong kaseng kalong ban ai jing kasha ni kishipai bala shong that bat ki bahayeng hasam ki jongki. Da ka ba ai kajing mentoy kum kajing erap na kabenta ka puli puthi ka baibam temen bat kiwe. Ka committee jong ka social economic and life development jong ka district Nongjri kala play ya ka yeng badang shudap shna thamai jong ka kong Theresia mau phanyang. Ka badai ka dokot jong ka shnong ka bawan na kalong yeng ka baduk. Haka jinglut ke balong lailak tingka. Ya kani ka yeng lasnai da ka jingkershan jong ka komiti bat kinong yelam shnong. Ya kani ka yeng lapli du Reverend HL Khongwir, moderator berim ka KJP Sinod Sepni, UMLA bat secretary jong ka SELD committee, ubat Charles Marngar, ulapintikna baka jing le jong ka komiti ka longban pinyo yengsa na kabenta kitu ki badan kam. Ka kong Theresia mau phanyang bat kayeng kasam ka jongka kilapin pau ya ka jing kemen bat ka jing sngo burom na kabenta kani kayeng bathamai ka jongki
jong ke SLD committee hadin bangila de bani prakhat sani bha takawai ka sur nilai rai bangin pej budget ikilong yeng kawai na kilong yeng po ka district banyarap ban pensna yeng bat nakaliang jong ka committee kalapha siya ka kam siya ka floor jong ka district bat nak nisong kemen bat nakaliang jong ka district hibar koi kila priang bat kila aibor ya kini ke komiti ban jit ya ke long yang apa ke distrik mat ban penshna ya kata ke yang bedok.
Laple ke Community Library Don Bosco Youth Center ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi bat ban sandur ya ka Roy Kapar jong ka im langsa lang. Ka MLA ke than ke Dr. Amperin Lingdo ka labanjur halor ka jingdon kam ban pulekot ban sngotenat ban yo jingtip bat na kabenta ka jingbha ya lade shimet. Ka jingthmu jong ka ni ka library ka long ban pinyo lat iki dukot jong ka shnong ban wat ya ki jingnang jingtip bat ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi. Ka kongling do ka lapin pau ya ka jing sngokhya baka AI ka la ban kta ya ka perkhat perdan jong ki briu. Ka MLA ka la ai jingmut ya ki sengkin thei ba ki dei ban let shiki school ba marjan ban pinshlor ki khenna ban pindon kam ya ka library. Ka Meghalaya Trinamool Congress ka lapin long ya ka jingyat patba kum ka jing snolem hatura ban ai burom ki shipai kari bat pin pau ya ka jing sno burom halor ka jing shlor bat ka jing lan la de ka jongki ya kani ka jing yat patba lalam khamat du Dr. Mukul Sangma bat UMLA Urupa M Marak ka jing thmu jong kani ka jing yat patba ka long ban pin pau ya ka jing teli bat ki shipai kari bat kubur ya ka jing shakri ka jongki khlam that ban yada ya kari U Dr. Mukul Sangma ula banjir halor ka jingdon kam ban pin pau ya ka jing sngo burom na ka benta ka jing len lade ka jong ki shipai ban ya daya lakari.
We pray for peace in our region. We pray for peace in Asia. We pray for global peace. So that the global community can live as one. In harmony, unity, and with love and compassion for each other.
UMLA Kanongpo constituency uba Middlebourne CM ulaple katrap badang shudap shna thamai ha ulom jingtap jongkashnong umden nongtulo. Yakani ka project lapintre hapok ka scheme special rural works program jongustem arhajar arpholai hado arhajar phosau. Kani katrap kanyada nakasngi bat na uslap bat kanya daru ikajingle nyam ontep kan long kabayat bet ya jenti. Hakani kajinge lang play lawan shimbenta do u Father Michael Kongan parish priest ko umden uba shanbor terang rang ba shnong ka shnong umden nong tulo bat ki dukhot jong ka shnong. Unong Tremont Skobha na East Jantia Hills District u reaching son Siangshai ulalet I ka right to information syaka office jong u deputy commissioner kani ka jingpan RTI jong uba Siangshai ka longban wat jingshai halor ka rukom thungkam thungjam jong ka DSC bat ban pinpet ya ki jing balapin pau de kinong apply kam nakathan kinong apply kam kilapin pau ya ka jingbam shai halor ka rukom thungkam bat uba Siangshai ula kermen baka RTI kan saai ka jingtip ka badon kam Kajingpan RTI kalong banwanra ikajing khut jing subah hagajing trekam jong ka DSC.
Ko penman yang file to adin da ko ut ko ujor le ko pon gi nak ro ko apply le ko pon ki daw kajing khana ki yanga henry kat em ka fact sakti te mnu ong ye te yuluti ko anda to kini concern department ku respond ki lan reply ki ya ka RTI yanga hite yu pai ko ka tom to kam kita kajing ut lan kita gijing ucor ki yong ki kon kontrol apa yong ke district ki yong ki
ka Ompowin Social and Cultural Sports Club kalapin kutno ya kalumpung yele kai football beningkong jongka ha ka bakarenja SC kalalong kalado da ka bapinrem ya ka Ompowin SC da arla shikol ha ka jingle kai final hakani ka sngi pinkut lawan shimbenta da kiriu paukmat bakuntop yu MLA ka mauhati uba Charles Marngar bat UMDC uba kinjo lang rangtong UMLA uba Charles Marngar ulapin pau ka jing thmu ban kintiu ya ki kamele kai bakuntop ya ka jing shna ya ka madan yele kai bathamai ha Ompowin kani ka jing yele kai ka pin pau ka jing la jong ka than ban kintiu ya kamele kai hakabaki kinhon yele kai jong ka shnong bat ki dukhot jong ka shnong kilai don benta lang ban pinyat ya kani kalumpong yele kai mentang ini pet ka jing long jing man ka sun beneng hatura ka jing kriat ka long arpho degree Celsius bat ka jing shit ka long arpho khandai degree Celsius ka jing skam ka hau hau menta ka sngi ka long hnyo pho khandai na ka shispa haba phai pat sha nong ba shalong ka jing khriat kalong khat lai 0.3 degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing siam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong khendai phau nak spa ka jing hap slap ha shalong kalong khat phra 0.3 millimeters kat ba ha jowai pat ka jing khriat kalong khat riu degree Celsius but ka jing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius ka jing siam ka hau menta ka sngi kalong hinyo nak spa Kala bandon ka jing hap slap ka bamalumala hatura jowai bat shalong. Shawan poi shabukut jong katup khobor ngepet biang sa shisin kimat ki bakong san. Let jungo Menteri Rangba ka Jilau Konrad K Sangai ka shnong tangmang pin bena ba onbo ya ka handicraft training center ha ka shnong. Kintu MP Ketura usaleng sangma ban penklannya ke jing pahara kaput. Kintu ya ke sorkar ban penklannya ke BSF bat pendap ya ke jaka ke bekir sainarsha. Pinpau Menteri Ketat PHU Marcus N. Marak ya ke jing job jangka single village water supply scheme. Bat pinkut nok ke umpawin SC ya ka lumpung ilek kai football beningkong hakaba karenja SC kalalong kalado dagba pindram ya ke umpawin da arla shikul. Te parlok katung ila poi shabukut jong kutup kubor jingi menta ka janmit haduk minesham yang la shai kesngi kublei pi parok.
Vishwa Sharma extended his best wishes to 3 MPs representing the Northeast. The CM expressed confidence that they will strongly represent India's stance on the global stage.
As a Northeast, we are very happy that 3 important Member of Parliament from Northeast has been included in the Indian delegation. 1 honorable MP from Nagaland, 2 honorable MP from Assam. We are feeling immensely proud, and we feel that all our 3 Member of Parliament from our region will be able to contribute meaningfully in presenting India's case in the world platform, in the global platform.
Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who is on a visit to Gujarat, inaugurated the Tiranga Yatra in Ahmedabad today. The tricolor procession has been organized in different parts of the country to pay tribute to the bravery of the Indian Army. It's time for a very short break. We'll be right back.
Assam tea and the culture around it is so unique and integral to the identity of Assam that we can't even think of Assam without tea.
200 glorious years of Assam tea. The saga will continue for many more centuries to come.
Welcome back. Union Minister for Fisheries Rajiv Ranjan Singh laid the foundation stone for the state's first integrated aqua park and fish festival in Agartala today. Addressing the gathering, the minister said that the centre would soon sanction an organic fish cluster for Tripura as well after Sikkim. He further added that the integrated aqua park aims to make Tripura self-sufficient in fish production by reducing dependency on imports. The project, which is estimated to be built at a cost of 100 crores, has already received 43 crores so far.
पोटेंशियल भी है त्रिपुरा में और उसी को बढ़ाने के लिए और आगे बढ़ाने के लिए हम लोग आज इंटीग्रेटेड एक्वा पार्क दे रहे हैं और उसका आज शुभारंभ कर रहे हैं। हम लोगों ने पूरे देश में 11 इंटीग्रेटेड एक्वा पार्क सैंक्शन किया है, जिसमें 4 नॉर्थ ईस्ट त्रिपुरा में है, आसाम में है, नागालैंड में है और अरुणाचल प्रदेश में। थे, 11 में 4 हम लोगों ने दिया है और नॉर्थ ईस्ट में फिश प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने का काफ़ी पोटेंशियल है, उसी पर हम लोग काम कर रहे हैं और स्टेट गवर्नमेंट भी अच्छा काम कर रही है।
With the aim of creating business-friendly opportunities and boosting the economy in Assam, an MOU exchange ceremony between the government of Assam and major investors was held today at the Srimanta Shankardev International Auditorium in Guwahati. The event was organized as a follow-up to the Advantage Assam 2.0 Summit, marking the beginning of a new chapter in investment and development for the state.
हम लोग जब इन्वेस्टमेंट समिट किए थे 5,15,000 करोड़ रुपए के इंटेंट मेमोरेंडम ऑफ इंटेंट हम लोग साइन किए थे। आज 5,15,000 करोड़ का अंदर से ही 60,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट पक्का हो गया है, कोई काम शुरू भी हो गया है। आज इकट्ठा हम लोग मिले, बाइंडिंग एग्रीमेंट साइन किए और साथ में हम उनको काम के लिए भी आगे जाने के लिए इंस्पायर किया। सितंबर अक्टूबर में मेरा लगता है कि और 30-40,000 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट मैच्योर्ड हो जाएगा। अगले 3 साल में सारे ही अनाउंसमेंट -10-15% सारे ही अनाउंसमेंट हमारा क्रियान्वित होने का पूरा संभावना है। हम लोग दिन रात काम कर रहा हूँ। आज असम देश का एक बहुत बढ़िया प्रदेश है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का इश्यूज नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं।
Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha laid the foundation stone for the Civil Service Officers Institute today. Addressing the gathering, Saha said that civil service officers play a crucial role in making and implementing government policies. And to cater to the needs of these officers in the state, a modern Civil Service Officers Institute will be developed at a cost of over 30 crore rupees. The Chief Minister further participated in a blood donation camp organized on the occasion.
এত সুন্দরভাবে প্রতি ঘরে সুশাসন মানে 2.0 সেটা আমরা দুবার আমরা শুরু করেছি, সেখানে আমরা সাকসেস আমরা হয়েছি। আমি দেখেছি যখনই যে কোনো বিষয়ে যে কোনো প্রকল্পই হোক আর যাই হোক, আলটিমেটলি আপনাদেরই উপর ভিত্তি করে আমরা সাধারণ মানুষের কাছে যাই এবং সেটা যত আরো সুদৃঢ় হবে ততই আগামী দিন মানুষের।
Now it's time for another short commercial break. We'll be right back.
असम का चाय वर्ल्ड फेमस है, सबको पता है। चाय बहुत आगे जाएगी, विश्व में नंबर 1 में रहेगी।
200 glorious years of Assam tea. The saga will continue for many more centuries to come.
In Arunachal Pradesh, a Tiranga Yatra was organized in Naharlagun today, where participants voiced strong support for Operation Sindoor. The rally showcased solidarity with the Indian Armed Forces